So welcome students to my channel once again. In this video I have brought this question for you all. So now look at the question very carefully. If alpha and beta be the roots of the equation x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0, then find the equation whose roots are alpha plus beta whole square and alpha minus beta whole square. Four options have been given, as you can see. Which one is correct we have to find. Alpha and beta be the roots of the equation x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then find the equation whose roots are alpha plus beta whole square and alpha minus beta whole square. Clear? So I am starting the solution. You all watch it very carefully. Equation is given is this one, x square plus 3x plus 4. Okay. So x square plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Name it as equation 1. This equation has been given. Okay. And it has been said that alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. Okay. Now as alpha and beta are the roots of equation 1, right? Since alpha and beta are the roots of equation 1, so therefore alpha plus beta will be minus b by a, that is b is minus b means minus 3 by 1 is there nothing but minus 3 only. Alpha plus beta is minus 3, so name it as equation 2. Okay. And alpha beta, product of the roots, alpha beta will be 4, c by a, 4 by 1, that is 4. Okay. So name it as equation 3. So the roots of the required equation. So find the equation whose roots are alpha plus beta whole square alpha by. So now what will I do? Now sum of the roots of the required equation, not this equation, the equation which you have to find. Here it has been asked that find the equation whose roots are eto, the sum of the roots of the required equation. Of the required equation, what will it be? Alpha plus beta whole square plus alpha minus beta whole square, right? Alpha plus beta whole square plus alpha minus beta whole square. So it will be alpha square, alpha plus beta is already minus 3. Okay. So just alpha plus beta is already minus 3, so we'll put minus 3 square, right? Plus alpha square minus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. Okay. And here you have to write using, so you have to write using equation, this value we have got using equation 2. Okay. So it will be minus 3 square is 9 plus alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta right? So now this we can write as alpha square plus beta square, we can write as alpha plus beta whole square. Alpha square plus beta square, I am writing it as alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, and minus 2 alpha beta was already there, so minus 2 alpha beta. Okay, alpha square plus beta square I am writing in this way, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, and this minus 2 alpha beta was already there, so I am writing it again. Okay, so this will be 9 plus alpha plus beta is again minus 3, that is minus 3 square minus 4 alpha beta. Okay, again you have to write using equation 2. Okay, so 9 plus 9 minus 4, alpha beta is 4, so minus 4 into 4, and here you have to write using equation 3. Here 2 using, because this 4 value you got equation 3 using equation 3. Okay, so it will be 18 minus 4 into 4 is 16, that is 2. So sum of the roots of the required equation is 2. Okay, and product of the roots of the required product of the roots of the required equation is, what would it be? Alpha plus beta whole square into alpha minus beta whole square, right? Alpha plus beta whole square into alpha minus beta whole square. So alpha plus beta is, we all know, minus 3, so minus 3 square into alpha minus beta whole square, alpha square minus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. Okay, here you have to write using equation, this value we have got using equation 2, okay. So this will be 9, then alpha square plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. So this we can write as alpha plus beta whole square, alpha square plus beta square, and alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta minus 2 alpha beta was already there. Okay, so this will be 9 into minus 3 whole square minus 4 alpha beta using equation again 2, right? So it will be 9 into 9 minus 4 into 4, alpha beta is equal to 4. So here you have to write using equation 3, because this value we got using equation 3. So it will be 9 into 9 minus 16. Okay, that would be 9 into minus 7, that is minus 63, right? So therefore the required equation is, what will be the required equation? X square minus, what is the formula? Sum of the roots into x, x square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Okay, so x square minus sum of the roots, sum of the roots is, sum of the roots of the required equation we got 2, so it will be minus 2x. Okay, then product of the roots is, product of the roots of the required equation is minus 63, so minus 63 is equal to 0. X square minus sum of the roots is 2, sum of the roots is 2, so minus 2x plus minus 60, that is minus 63 is equal to 0. So this is the final answer. The required equation is this. Okay, x square minus 2x minus 63. So this option number D, x square minus 2x minus 63 is equal to 0. Here it has been given plus 2x in option number C, but not minus 2x minus 63. The x square minus 2x minus 63 is, so option number D is the correct option. Clear? Thanks for watching.